So I will be answering the last and sixth question, which is define and describe cloud computing. Describe a real world example. Cloud computing is a network of remote servers hosted on the internet to store, process, and manage data rather than through a local server or personal computer. For it to be considered cloud computing, you need to access the data or programs to the internet, having information synced with other information through the web. Cloud computing can be done anywhere and at any time because it is mobile. As you can see in this diagram, you can access it through your phone, your iPad, your computer, your laptop, or wherever you are because it is through the internet. There is a difference between individuals that do use cloud computing and businesses that choose to use the software for their employees. Businesses choose to use software as a service known as SaaS, and where the business subscribes to the application and accesses it through the internet. Another service businesses choose to use for cloud computing is platform as a service known as LaaS, where companies such as Microsoft, Google, and Amazon provide a backbone that can be rented out by other companies. An example of this type of software service is Netflix providing services to its clients because it is customer to the cloud services at Amazon. So the maker for cloud computing generated 100 billion in 2012. By 2007, it could become 127 billion, and by 2020, it could become up to 500 billion. This just goes to show how many individuals do rely on cloud computing, because a real world example of this is Google Drive. Google Drive provides Google Docs, Google Sheets, and Google Slides. You can use Google Docs and all these different devices through all these different things through your devices such as a tablet, iPad, or smartphone because there are individual apps to use this. You just simply put in your ID, your email that you use, and then you can access it simply through that. Another popular cloud service is Apple's iCloud. It is used for online storage, backups, contacts, calendars, and more apps within the iPhone and MacBooks. The only thing you need is iOS and macOS. A unique feature that Apple provides is Find My iPhone. For when you have misplaced your phone, you can easily access it. You put in your Apple ID again and then your password, and it tells you where your iPhone might be located or your device that you did lose. And also they do have a service where you can transfer your information to another phone, whether it be because you upgraded or for whatever reason. You simply put in your ID and your password, and with that you have all the information that you had backed up on your original device to this, which is very helpful for many people when they do these types of different things. This another really big company that uses this is also Amazon with their Amazon Cloud Drive. The storage is mainly used for music that you can purchase through Amazon, and you can also save images. If you pay monthly for the Amazon Prime, you'll have unlimited image storage. Also, anything that you do buy for your Kindle, such as books, it will hold it. So if you ever want to reread it, you'll always have it in your Amazon Cloud Drive, and it's easy to access. In fact, there are other things you can use, such as hybrid services online. One of the most popular ones are Dropbox or SugarSync. These are clouds that you can use from syncing someone else's file with the local storage, and it's also again really easy to access. You can upload files or any type of images that you do have, which is most probably used when you run out of storage through your phone, and you just connect it there because you have it anywhere you do go. And people find cloud computing very useful, and that is why it is so important today to many individuals and has evolved a lot of people with storage and everything else that they do need for on the go.